Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials: iPhone 14 Pro Max, up-to-date iOS, and a chosen LiDAR-capable app. Start by granting location and motion permissions. Without them, depth data may be limited. Once done, open Measure or your scanning app and allow camera access. Point the rear sensor cluster toward the scene and hold the phone steady at chest height. Move slowly to let the sensor emit and collect infrared pulses. This is how accurate distance mapping begins. Now you perform the core scanning. You should sweep slowly, about 0.5 to 1 meter per second, keeping edges and surfaces in frame. This ensures sufficient point overlap. Make sure plane detection and any high detail or pro mode are enabled to increase point density. Rotate around the subject for multiple angles and maintain consistent distance to avoid holes in the mesh. If you see gaps, pause and rescan that area with closer passes. Quality depends on coverage and steady motion. Finish by exporting your scan in the format your workflow needs: OBJ or PLY for modeling, UST for R, then import to clean up tools to decimate noise and fill holes. You should remove stray points and smooth surfaces to prepare for texturing. If scans look noisy or incomplete, rescan the problematic zones with slower, overlapping passes and improve ambient lighting. LiDAR benefits from contrast on surfaces. If alignment drifts, reset the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.